Welcome to our tutorial on allowing others to find you on Snapchat using your email address. Let's walk through the steps to make it easier for others to connect with you. Begin by opening the Snapchat app on your Android device to access your account settings. Locate and tap on your avatar or profile picture at the top left corner of the screen to enter your profile settings. Next, tap on the settings icon positioned at the top right of the screen to access your account settings. Within the settings menu, find and select the email option to configure your email settings. Look for the setting that says "Let others find me using my email address" and make sure to mark or enable this option. By enabling this feature, you allow other Snapchat users to discover and connect with you using your email address, enhancing your visibility and connectivity on the platform. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your account to allow others to find you by your email address on Snapchat. Thank you for watching this guide on enabling others to find you on Snapchat using your email address. Enjoy expanding your network and interactions on Snapchat with this simple setting adjustment.